snow is set to fall today. It comes to say that Christmas is on its merry way. And for every
Good morning, besties. I am Char. It's December 23 today, one day before we hold our annual pre-Christmas day party here in an apartment. So, nag-volunteer kami na dito na lang muna yung Christmas Eve party namin tomorrow with Patrick's cousins and Patrick's uncles and aunts. And I am kasi until yesterday, meron akong work. So, wala akong time na maglinis. So, ngayon, it's gonna be a long day. First off, we're gonna clean the house. Second, we're gonna decorate. Third, we're gonna go grab some groceries, last-minute groceries for ingredients tomorrow. And 5, I'm gonna have to edit my previous vlog in Bryant Park. But we'll see if I can all do that because I'm alone here. Patrick's still at work. Dito pala mga holiday lang sa kanila is mismong 25 and mismong 1st. Diba? Nakakamiss yung sa Pilipinas na 19 pa lang, wala ka ng pasok, balik mo na Happy New Year, sa New Year na. Pero ngayon na nag-work na tayo dito sa US, na-culture shock ako na until 24th nagtatrabaho sila and then 26 magtatrabaho din sila. Pero that's life here in America. We gotta adapt, we gotta accept it kasi we are now living here. But yeah, tama na yung mga usap kasi I have no freaking time. Maglilinis na ako kasi tingnan nyo naman ang sitwasyon ng aming bahay. Papakita ko sa inyo. Tingnan nyo gaano kakalat ang living room. Hindi ko pa yan, mukha lang malinis yung carpet namin pero hindi ko pa yan nabavacuum. Tapos eto, tingnan mo, ang daming mga kalat dito sa dining namin. Tapos itong Christmas village ko, hindi ko pa na set up. I-set up natin yan ngayon after ko maglinis. And then, ito, hindi naman masyadong kailangan yung guest room, pero lilinisin pa rin natin ng konti, syempre, para in case may gustong matulog tomorrow, pwede silang matulog dyan, mag-sleep over. And then, ito rin yung sitwasyon ng aming master bedroom. Tingnan mo, ang kalat, diba? Oh my gosh, sobrang kalat talaga. Ayan, a real unfiltered life here in New York. Hindi na nakakapaglinis ng weekdays kasi sobrang kalat. And then, the mess in our kitchen. What the heck? Tingnan nyo yung mga toolbox ni Patrick nandito pa. Lilinisin ko yan lahat. At kinalimutan pa niya tanggalin yung saksak nito. Ayan, maglilinis ako niyan. Ang dami ko lilinisin. O, tingnan mo yung shaver niya nandito pa, diba? So, yan. Nakita nyo kung gaano kakalat and gaano karami yung dapat kong linisin. Hindi naman siya mukhang madumi on the video, pero syempre, in person, makita mo talaga yung medyo may mga alikabok. Ayoko nung may ganun. Kaya, hopefully matapos ko siya before lunchtime para makapag-lunch ako and then after lunch, yung groceries naman for the ingredients tomorrow. Pero, konti lang naman yun kasi yung mga drinks lang, tsaka magluluto lang ako ng pesto. So, konti ingredients lang yung bibiling ko sa Trader Joe's. I'm gonna bring you guys with me. And hopefully by 5 p.m. I'm all done and I'm just gonna edit my vlog and we're just gonna pick up sisig and spicy laing tomorrow. Pero right now, let us freaking start our day. Nag-snow, guys. Do you see that? May slurries. It's 10 a.m. and tingnan nyo, nag-snow! Ewan ko kung nakikita nyo, pero nag-snow. And ito na ang ating Christmas village. Perfect! Yakisoba and egg. Tapos may leftover tempura.
If meron pa. Mas good. Okay, I'm gonna get this one. Ito na lang guys. Kami.
The Christmas lights fill the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you. How
Bitin yung binili ko nung in-extend ko to.
about packing up today? Living so
Pero nasa labas na ako. Pupunta na ako ng Trader Joe's. Nalinisan ko na yung living area, yung dining area, at saka yung kitchen. Ngayon, kuha tayo na pang ingredients for pesto pasta and charcuterie board tomorrow. So, come to Trader Joe's with me. Jogod, malala. Ito lang kaya, pero di ko alam ba't ko yung gift of Patrick likes it. Cane almonds, because that's Patrick's favorite. Pero parang wala siya dito. Vegan options. Nahirapan ako. First time to do grocery shopping. Kasi out of stock na lahat. Out of stock na lahat. Babalik ko na nga itong isa kasi kulang ako sa ingredients. It's the worst time. Don't do this.
I can use this. Yes, sir. I said it's fine.
We're out of Trader Joe's. Total was $108, around 5,700 pesos. Pero nakuha ko naman lahat ng gusto kong makuha. And right now, I'm just walking home and drop by tayo dun sa Chinese store malapit sa amin to get a tablecloth and the drinks. Let's go. Bukas na to ah. Yung itsura mo. Tingnan mo. Ang pangit. Ay, be, tingnan mo to. Di mo pa ito nakita.
What is this?
Oh, di ba? Ano pa, Jar?
Robin.
This is for our cheese tomorrow. Cheese charcuterie board. Bigat nito, be. Yeah. Mini Coke. Tanggal yung kuko, Char. Muna natin sa rep. Tara! Linis ng rep, no? Diet Coke. 10 cans. And then, just open it. It's Christmas Eve and magsasaing ako ng kanin. Kasi hindi ako bibili ng 1,000 peso na kanin. Magsasaing na lang tayo. This is the perfect sinaing. Wala kaming rice cooker kaya manual tayo. Okay na yan?
Mom gave us rice cooker.
Baka naman! Sabi mo, baka naman! Sabi mo,
Vacay name.
baka naman! So, tapos na tayo magsaing. Meron akong vegan guest na dadating kaya nagluluto ako ng corn and carrots, all plant-based. And meron din akong nabiling beefless beef bulgogi from Trader Joe's. Kaya yun yung isa-serve natin for her. Di naman siya malakas kumain. Guest na rin namin siya ng wedding. And then last year's Christmas party. Kaya corn and carrots, beef bulgogi, and rice. I think that's okay na. And then may dala pa siyang food for her to share to all of us. Kaya, let's cook! Let's cook our corn and carrots. Madali lang to. Ginagawa ko na to sa Pilipinas. Ito yung kinain ko every day since April hanggang kinasal kami ng May 2025. Ito lang kinain ko. Kaya I lost like 10 pounds noon. O, tingin kayo sa camera ko. Ito na napakita sa inyo yung preparation, pero ito na yung mga binili natin sa Trader Joe's kahapon. And then, pipick upin ko yung food with my mother-in-law. Let's go.